Hello YouTube, this is Chris Miguez, and today we're going to be going over Active Directory and how to add a user. So I'm going to be doing it in NetLab. So I've already got a NetLab equipment reservation set up. So I'm going to go ahead and enter my NetLab. We're going to be working with Windows 7 and Windows 10. I just don't like 8. So first of all, we're going to go to the domain controller. Let it load. This is doing it for a remote desktop session. If it'll load. Yes. Yes. Okay. And click Control Delete. So I'm going to be going over some fundamentals with Active Directory. In order to get to Active Directory, you need, again, a local administrator account, a domain administrator account on the computer. Go to Start. You can go to Administration Tools, but there are several other ways to get to Active Directory. You can go into Server Manager and do it that way, but I do it for Active Directory. Oop, my other PC is doing something. Give me a second. Next. Okay. So you can go in Active Directory use your computer. So now this is the server manager. You could go to tools and Active Directory and all of that, but I don't do that. So close out of that. And we're going to Active Directory. Now, a lot of companies and organizations will want you to create an organizational unit, and I just stick it like this and put them in users, because you can have a lot more control over an organizational unit. So I'm going to have to create an organizational unit. This is a fully organizational unit. Now you can click protect this container from accidental deletion. I'm just going to click yes. Let's call this students, just for students. Now, in that student show you, we can go in, we can add a user. Let's say int one. So let's say just type it student, and we're going to do a super secret password. Now, a lot of y'all will either want me to change your password, but according to certain company policies, you would want to check that and click cannot change password. But I always click can't change password and password never expires. Which I see a lot more schools and organizations clicking password never expires than just clicking user cannot change password. So we can click that, yes. Now a user has been created. What can we do with this user? Yes, you say. So first of all, we're going to go back over and we're going to pull up a Windows 7 machine. With this Windows 7 machine, you can log in and you can hit Control Delete. You can tell because it's asked to hit Control Delete. I'm going to switch user. Yes, I'm going to do stdnt. Oh, password incorrect. And it'll log you in. And preparing your desktop for first time use, blah, blah, blah. So now you're logged into our local machine. Now, a lot of the times you will not get UAC access because like it'll ask for that manage. And if we just, for some odd chance, if you click student and type in the password, it would not let you. So you have to give them UAC access. Now, a lot of the times there will be that, but they'll have access to everything else. Now, I find that a lot better for students, but I'm going to log it off. Now, you did notice we don't have a network share anywhere. There is no network share or like home folder or whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to log off. And we're going to go over here. I'm going to right click, click properties. Now, here's all the general properties. You can put a telephone number, email, blah, 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 description, and our account, and no, profile. And now if you do something called roaming profiles, which roaming profiles allows the user to, if they go to this computer and they do something on the computer and they go back over to find it another computer, let's say a Windows 10 computer or something like that, the settings get carried over. I don't really do that because it takes up storage. So another thing you can do is go to what we're going to do is we're going to map a network share. So we're going to go into local disk. Now you really don't want to do this in local disk, but I'm going to create a network share drives, and we're going to do student underscore one. So what we're going to do is we're going to share this folder, sharing, share, stdnt, student. Now, student can have read and write access to the share. Yes. Close that out. Click close. This is the network share. We go on to properties. Control C. Close, and we go back and make sure this is shared too. I don't think it has to be shared. Well, we're going to go to drives. Students. CDNT. Nope. Move. Now, okay, a lot of the times you'll see this. You'll be like, I created no U with students. That's really not what you need to do. A lot of the times you need to create a inner organization. I mean, no, sorry. Where is it? New. Sure that. Nope, wrong one. Gotta find it. I'm sorry, take a big time. Where is it? Shared folder organization. Oh. Group. There we go. So we click group and let's say students. Oh, sorry. Because I already created no U. Students 2. So that's another way you can do it. So we're going to go to members. DNT. Students, student 1, apply. Now it should work. Let me hide that because I can't see. There we go. Students 2. Now they have read and write access. Wait. Let's redo that. See, if you grant them read and write access, it'll grant them, if you put a folder in here, everywhere. So it'll grant them read and write access to all the network shares, which is something you don't want because they'll get access to other student shares. So students, account, apply, boom, yes, boom. Now, we go back over to this Windows 7 machine, PC, syncall, delete, log in, and it should map as a network share now. Boom, it did. So this is the network share that's in there. So we're going to create a folder called test my work. Now we're going to go back to the domain controller, and if my domain administrator needs to see that folder, we can go to student, boom, create it right there. Now another thing that I'm going to touch in on a topic in my other video is called, you're going to go and close out of that, is called disk quota. I'm going to touch a little bit on that in the other part. So we're going to go back to Windows 10, let's say that, and we're going to go there to that network share. If it'll load. Other user. EMT. Super secret password. Boom. Here's the user. And this is the notorious setup. Oh my fucking god. This is a notorious setup. This won't take long. Yes, it does. And I can't pause this. I'm sorry. This is still a live event. Setting up your apps, blah, blah, blah. So this is going to take a little while. Okay. So this last thing, and I'll do another live stream on disk quotas and disk policies, disk quotas and policies. So here we go. That wasn't too bad, but no, it's on a regular computer you've already used and set up. It's slow as can be. A lot of the times I like to hit Windows E. That's my favorite. Oh, it holds up my main computer. So if it'll load. I don't want that. Nope. Go back. Hide. Boom, brings up that network share. So you see it one, boom, test my work. No, I'm gonna do test my work on Windows 10. Boom, test my work on Windows 10. I'm gonna go back to domain controller, back to files, local disk, drives, student. See, there's test my work, and there's test my work on Windows 10. Thanks for this live stream. Other than that, I will catch you up in another live stream. A live stream on Discorda. That'll be the next live stream. So other than then, bye.